Your guest arrives at your Airbnb. They enter the code on the smart lock and they're in. That was easy. But wait, now the lights automatically turn on. Some relaxing music starts playing from the kitchen, and the thermostat sets itself to 73 degrees. Now that's a great way to elevate your guest experience. Hey, I'm Iris, an Asurion expert, and I'm going to show you how adding a few smart home devices to your Airbnb can save you stress and make your guests more comfortable. So let's get to it. Here are some of the best smart home devices for Airbnb owners. First step, and you need to do this before you load up on smart gadgets. Make sure the Wi-Fi in your rental is strong and reliable. And if you need some tips on maximizing your home's Wi-Fi, be sure to check out this video. Okay, now to the list. The first smart gadget, and probably the most important for Airbnb owners, is a smart lock. With the smart lock, it doesn't matter what time of day your guests arrive, or if you're there to let them in. Door access is handled within the smart lock app. You can set up temporary time-restricted passcodes, receive alerts when the door is opened or closed, and if your guests are having trouble getting in, you can even unlock the door remotely. For maximum convenience, check out a smart lock that integrates with the Airbnb app, such as Yale or August, to automatically create digital keys for guests when they book. The next smart device you should consider for your Airbnb is a video doorbell. Video doorbells can put your mind at ease about unauthorized visitors and lets you see exactly when your guests check in and check out. Plus, you can talk to guests through an app on your phone if you need to. Just make sure you follow Airbnb policies and respect your guests' privacy by disclosing the use of any video doorbells or security cameras on your property. Okay, we've talked about some smart gadgets that help increase security and lower stress. Now let's talk about one that can save you some money. A smart thermostat is one of the easiest ways to conserve energy and save money in your Airbnb. Simply adjust the temperature from your phone or set heating and cooling limits to prevent guests from setting temperatures that could damage your unit. If you want a more hands-off approach, you can automate the heating and cooling cycles based on the time of day or with a motion sensor. If you're thinking about upgrading to a smart thermostat, check out this video first. Another way to save energy and money in your Airbnb is by installing smart lights. Wi-Fi connected smart bulbs are easy to install and give you control from anywhere with an internet connection. If your guest forgets to turn off the lights before checking out, no problem. Just click a button on the app and it's taken care of. You can also add more security by pairing smart lights with a motion sensor, or by creating a schedule to turn them off or on if your rental is unoccupied. Finally, the last but not the least important smart device for Airbnb owners is a smart speaker. Okay, so maybe not a big giant boombox. What I'm really talking about are smaller speakers with built-in virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. These smart speakers can be used to control other smart tech around your home, like lights, thermostats, and even the video doorbell. But what can really save you time is the ability for the smart assistant to quickly answer your guests' questions like, where's the nearest coffee shop? Or what's the best Italian spot in town? Keep in mind, not everyone is familiar with smart speakers yet, so I recommend leaving a note card with some sample commands to get them started. Well, that's it. Those are just a few smart devices that can help your Airbnb guests have a 5-star stay and save you stress. For professional help fixing and caring for your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home content.